Are you worried about money? I mean, who isn't? For most of us women, money is a mystery, full of stressful emotions like anxiety, worry, shame, and fear. How about we change that now? One thing this coronavirus has shown me is that I don't want to fight against anything, but rather to be for the best in myself and in each of us. If we as women are to be the force in the world we need to be now more than ever, we must overcome our aversion to and fear of money. This allows us to transform apprehension to appreciation, fear to love, and worry to wisdom. Hello, I'm Aysha Griffin, and for 35 years I've been helping business owners and creative individuals inhabit their dreams through clarity and action. In 1999, I became a certified business and relationship coach, and for the past 8 years, I've been communications director for the Merriman Financial Education Foundation, advocating for women's financial empowerment. I have learned so much of what I wish I had known before, and you can know too. I'm also an avid traveler, and I'm excited to invite you on a journey with me to unwrap the mystery of money. The destination is freedom from the tyranny of money worries, where you can confidently enjoy a healthy relationship with money. In essence, to get a handle on it. The course is called Conquer Your Money Fears, and you can find out more about it at wisdomwithmoney.com. In my experience, personally and in coaching many women over the years, by understanding what money is and shifting your relationship to it, you can free yourself from the grip of fear and live with more peace of mind and the freedom to effect the changes you want for yourself, others, and all that matters to you. And as you will come to know if you undertake this journey with me, is that when it comes to money, it's not how little or how much you have, but your relationship to it that dictates your reality. Believe me, no matter where you're at now, you can create a healthy relationship to money that is remarkably powerful, and yes, even fun, because so many possibilities open up. I want you to inhabit your dreams, because together I believe we can create the more beautiful world we know is possible, beyond the tyranny of money worries. So I put together this course. I've made it as simple and quick and comprehensive as possible so you can experience freedom in your relationship to money in as little as 5 days, focusing just an hour or two a day of your time. Starting the day after you register, you will receive an email a day for 5 days explaining a step you will take, and each moving you closer to your freedom from money worries. These steps are based on the best-selling book, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin, who has generously granted permission to share this with you. But it's not your standard course, because learning about and doing something that is so emotionally charged, as money certainly is, requires more than just receiving information. So in addition, here's what we're going to do. Because I want you to know you're not alone in this, and you can finally conquer your money fears. So every day, I'll post a video or an audio related to that course material to give you more insights and ideas. We'll interact daily in a private, supportive Facebook group, creating a community of empowered, money-wise women. It's so exciting. And we'll meet in a conference call every week to answer your questions and share what you're learning on this journey, what we're both and all learning. The call will be recorded and available to those who can't attend, of course. And if you want personalized coaching, we can do that too. You can join anytime, participate as little or as much as you choose, and go at your own pace. Although, the sooner you complete it, the sooner you will enjoy the benefits, which is obvious. And for this time, I've made it as affordable as possible, under $20 US, and I'll explain why as we go along. If you're ready to conquer your money fears, then please sign up now and let's get going on your road to freedom. And if you're not ready to say yes to conquering your money fears now, sign up to receive an occasional email with practical ways to relate to and minimize stress around money. Of course, I'll never share or sell your information. Thank you for your interest in conquering your money fears. You, your loved ones, and our world will be enriched by your courage and wisdom. I look forward to our journey together.